Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by importing the scan plan and locking it to a background layer so nothing shifts. Once done, create dedicated layers for walls, doors, windows, and furniture to keep edits non-destructive. Make sure rulers and grid match your desired scale, for example 150 or pixels per meter, and enable Snap to Grid for precise alignment. Use the pen or polygonal lasso to trace walls with straight segments, then stroke paths on a wall layer using the exact pixel width you need. Now refine geometry. Convert traced wall paths into shapes or smart objects so you can scale without losing fidelity. You should add doors and windows on separate layers, using masks to hide overlaps and consistent line weights so the drawing reads clearly. Once shapes are set, apply subtle layer styles like inner shadow or a thin stroke to simulate wall thickness and depth. Use the transform tools to snap fixtures to the grid and group related layers into folders named by room or element for quick editing. Finish by preparing an export copy. Duplicate and flatten only the layers you need while preserving the full PSD separately for future edits. Export to PNG for web, PDF for print, or SVG if you used vector shapes and need scalable output. Make sure to include a 1020px bleed if printing. If elements misalign after export, check Smart Object Transforms and Layer Offsets. Undo transforms or reapply exact numeric values to X/Y and rotation, and relink any missing fonts or linked assets.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.